It's not gonna be an upgrade, it's gonna be an upheaval.
Hey, yo.
Hey.
I want to go over this kitchen dining plan with you to make sure we're on the same page.
We are in week 2 of Rock the Block, and that means we get to work on one of my favorite spaces always, the kitchen. This goes here. This one goes above the refrigerator.
Keep going.
The cabinets and the layout of the cabinets are actually really good. They're plain white shaker, they're nothing crazy fancy. Keeping those is gonna save me probably $8,000 or $10,000 to put towards my kitchen backsplash with the expensive quartz slab. I'm making extremely smart choices here
Because the kitchen can really make or break our home, and in this case, the competition.
Oh, I love this painting. You know, most people like to do a tile backsplash. In this case, I'm doing a full slab backsplash. That's artwork, and that's a huge value add. Look at that, clean.
Will you put the hood back up? I'm happy with that.
What's happening over at the Ford's house? A light here, a light over the island. It's awesome. I'd live in this kitchen, no problem.
This is a brand new house, and so I'm trying to save as much as I possibly can. Most of the cabinets I'm gonna be able to use in a different way. The countertops I'm gonna repurpose, which allows me to splurge in other areas, like a $4,000 natural stone countertop made of dolomite. The centerpiece of my entire kitchen. This is definitely what's gonna set me apart from the competition, and this is how I'm gonna win.
What do you think?
You good? Yeah.
Are we okay?
Yep, we're in. Oh, yeah.
That looks good.
Oh, look.
Ooh, it's Drew.
Hey guys,
Hi, Drew.
looks like your kitchen renovation's underway.
Yeah, we're getting there.
Well, make them great because for this week's challenge, a contractor whose renovation experience is unmatched, Mike Holmes, star of Homes and Homes, will be there to judge your kitchens.
Mike Holmes is very detail-oriented and very focused on doing things the right way and the best of the right ways.
Matter of fact, might as well replace everything.
But I'm still pretty confident with my design plan.
One of the things that can be a big budget killer are material costs.
Material costs are killing us.
So, being the nice guy that I am,
I found something to give you some extra help while renovating your kitchens. But you're gonna have to roll up your sleeves and put in some work to get it.
Well, I got him.
Drew, we don't need more work, we need money.
I'm having it delivered today, so keep an ear out for it.
An ear.
I'm pretty sure you'll know when it's there.
Okay.
Have fun and get creative, guys.
Oh yeah, and you're welcome.
Bye, Drew.
Bye.
Okay, well, that's a horn.
My date's here.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa. What is that?
There's a barn in the middle of the neighborhood? What is happening? I don't know if it's for us, if one of us gets it, if all of us get it. I don't even know what's here.
Yeah, that's ours.
Wait, do we even know if we get this? What is this? Who's that? What?
Hi, Nicole. Nicole Curtis is a fellow renovator. She's been doing it way longer than I have, and she usually has a lot of history in her home, so she's able to reincorporate it. And we obviously have no history here.
Oh my gosh.
I do these huge renovations on really cool old houses that have so much character. So I thought I'd bring a little something, or I mean a big something, for you guys to use to add some character to your spaces. There's so many great pieces in this. There's great cladding, there's beams, but there's tons of patchwork to it too.
This is a lovely present. Thank you so much, Drew and Nicole. But having to incorporate the barn into the kitchen is not a bonus for me, but it may really help out one of the other girls. I don't know. Hopefully it doesn't.
There's a lot to do now, thanks to,
Drew, we're using the wood to wrap around the window in the dining room. This is the perfect solution. They put this much trim on, I want this much trim on. Now we're talking.
Really?
Heck yeah.
So this is the result of my freak out.
I love it.
Taking it a little bit more in this putty direction allows the countertop and backsplash to be more like the white color we wanted.
What is it?
Structural changes not to code.
One down, 3 to go. So I know a little something about these. They're always terrifying. So that's how I'm gonna get the girls. I'm trying to have a little fun with the girls. I mean, this is funny. This one's my funniest.
This is a problem, because we don't have enough time for this. I thought everything was done right.
Say, City of Santa Clarita, read me your violation code.
Hey, this is Steve Ford.
Yes, this is City of Santa Clarita.
Please hold.
Can you please read me your violation number?
412-720.
Looks like that violation code is in regards to too much white paint. Permission to carry on.
Thanks, boss.
Over and out.
All right, well, let's get to work.
We only have a couple hours left before Mike comes. We have to get hardware on. We still have to put lighting up. I have to put pretty things on the shelves. We got to hustle.
Let's get the furniture in. Yeah. Oh, we're working down to the wire.
Back to the kitchen for you.
Mike Holmes has an eagle eye. He sees everything. I have to have every single detail buttoned up before he gets here.
Come on, you guys. I can't be doing paint touch-ups. Come on, get this place perfect.
We have 15 minutes.
I'm feeling good, feeling confident, but I don't know what Mike's gonna do or what Mike's gonna like.
Knock, knock.
That's where I am at.
So take me through it, and
Without your clipboard.
we'll leave it right there. I have a good memory.
Okay, good. So this was where the fridge was originally. We've actually repurposed cabinets to make this custom coffee bar,
The morning cafe.
right?
Yes.
And then I really wanted an open shelf concept.
You can display things, and at the same time, you're forced to keep it neat. Now, I heard a barn showed up. Tell me
Yes.
what you did with it.
We faced all of the pantry shelves with it.
Ah, I see. Love this centerpiece. What is this?
Thank you. So that's a reclaimed piece from Chicago.
Coffees, teas, you
You
could
could do anything in there.
Love that you've used the quartz countertops. And then you brought it onto the backsplash.
Right.
So big choice. You picked a big dollar value here. You put in a full oven stove.
And this is a commercial grade. The BTUs on this are
I know the stove. You went with a porcelain sink. Floors, you chose the floors, yes?
I did. When it came to just the function, I thought vinyl worked better for everyday use.
Yeah, there is some things I see I'm not gonna tell you.
Well,
This
come
used
on,
to
I'm
be-
not done yet.
Nope. The waterfall is a great feature. The best thing you can do is get that grain to follow the waterfall down. And in this case, it's not a perfect tie. Anything else you want to say to me before I leave?
You're welcome.
Oh, you are freaking awesome.
There's so many moving pieces in this kitchen. I mean, literally every measurement counts. Everything has to come together. If something isn't perfect, I know Mike Holmes is gonna notice it and he's gonna call me out on it. Hi.
How are you, Jess?
I can't believe you're in my kitchen.
I am in your kitchen.
So I put laminate floors in.
This is a really good looking floor, very nice.
I moved my fridge to the other side of the kitchen.
Love the cupboards.
My carpenter and I built them, and then we lined the backs of them with antique elm. And then this is actually reclaimed wood that we got from a barn. We added the wine fridge, and this is like the entertainer's paradise.
Why not?
Why not?
I kind of like that, so that's good. Original countertop, yes?
Here, this is dolomite, which is super porous, but I did a UV cured acrylic on it. And now it's as durable as quartz, if not more.
Unless you put a hot pot on it.
Well, you wouldn't put a hot pot because that's over here.
A lot of people grab a hot pot, they just don't think, and they put it down.
It can be warm. It just can't be like straight off the oven.
That's the downfall.
I expected Mike to be impressed by my countertops, and he's really not. Oh, I have one more thing to show you.
You do.
Check this out.
Well, I like that feature. Good job.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. I'm gonna make a ton of notes.
Oh my gosh, okay.
Hi, Mike.
Leanne, how are you?
I'm good. How are
I'm
you?
loving the look. This is really different.
We took off the uppers. We have no upper cabinets. Makes this place feel more like a room, less like a kitchen.
Tell me about the stone.
I really wanted this to feel like it's been here more than 5 days. We did a grout wash on it, which I think I invented.
A grout
We
wash?
used grout to whitewash it.
That's inventive. What'd you do with the barn?
We wrapped it around the window. I love the texture.
Big trim, no baseboard. Love that you changed the stove, took out the gas top.
Yeah.
Took out the pantry, and you have the walk through to the dining room. Changed the countertops.
Yes, sir.
Pure white.
This is actually the synthesized solid surfacing.
It's daring.
Mm-hmm.
I can see things I wouldn't have done.
I'm not sure Mike truly sees the value that I put into this space.
Concrete floor. Did you seal the floor?
Oh yeah, it's a matte sealer.
You spill wine on this, it's gonna absorb into it.
We did
Have
it
you spilt anything yet?
every day. I honestly believe in perfectly imperfect.
You are really unique. It's terribly risky. I like taking risks. Good job.
Thanks, Mike.
I will see you in a bit.
All right, be nice to me.
This walkthrough is about to happen any second, and I'm feeling very excited, but a little anxious.
Oh, look at that. You bribed me with food. That
I
works.
know, I've got wine too.
You know the first thing that caught my eye?
What?
You have a water tap for a pot.
Yes.
You are the only one that did this.
Really?
And
Allison didn't?
Nobody did
That's
this.
surprising.
This is a big plus for you.
Okay. Allison probably has a $12,000 stove, so I'm just gonna take my little pot filler win and go to my corner.
Herringbone. Tell me about what you chose.
I did an EVP because it's a family home, so I wanted something that's super durable.
It was a really good call.
Making it functional, the countertops I chose, I love Carrara marble, but it's so butter soft, so I went with the quartz instead. Big fancy farm sink.
So tell me about the concrete.
I spent a good chunk of change on this.
It's actually attractive, but the other flaws in that is that it still can absorb.
One of Mike's concerns is the concrete sink. Concrete is a porous material and can absorb things, but that's just a potential. It's not a for sure.
I love the big bulky legs at the end of the
Yes.
countertop. It's like a big piece of furniture. What's catching my eye here is your door to the pantry.
That's our barn salvage material. Just like a cute little detail.
Okay? And you got one crap load of storage space, you really do. I can see a lot of people liking this.
Thank you.
I'm gonna make a ton of notes and I'll see you real soon.
All right.
Good job.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
I really don't know much about what any of these girls are doing in their houses. I'm nervous about all of them in different ways.
I'm nervous that, maybe I didn't make the right choices. Maybe the other girls made better choices. I just don't know. I'm feeling really anxious.
Ladies, I didn't know what to expect coming in here and looking at 4 kitchens. I've been brought here today to pick one kitchen that every family is gonna wanna not only live in, but put their money on. The winner of the best kitchen that I see is Allison.
I wanted it so bad.
Allison won the kitchen, which makes sense. She's a kitchen girl. I get it.
I needed that win. I mean, if you're the kitchen crasher for 9 seasons and you don't
Better
win,
win the kitchen.
The thing that really set your kitchen apart, Allison, was you had a solution for everything. I think when it comes time to appraise your home, that kitchen is gonna be a big factor.